guys, welcome back to Kanatio Studios, and today I am bringing in a friend of mine. And hey Gabe!
Hey guys!
And this is Gabe right here, and we're going to be playing City Tycoon 2. So,
Hey, is this a camera? Can you guys also check out my YouTube channel? It's called Tycoon
yeah,
Gaming.
I'll link it in the description, but let's go find a plot.
Yeah, let's go. Hey, that's my,
Okay, what should we do, guys? Let's do, let's do a race. Let's do a racetrack. We earn money very fast in this game. I've already made a video before on Roblox, but not fully Roblox. Okay, buy the foundation. Oh, come on. Okay. I know! I accidentally stepped on it. Don't you know what accidentally and purposely mean?
I'm doing a hospital.
Yes. Okay, we can now get the small ducking. Okay.
Guys, I'm doing a hospital.
Okay. Let me just slide that off. Okay. Oh, we can get the walls. Okay, now we just gotta... Oh, we can get the window frame. That's a lot of things. And least expensive is the seating, so let's wait. In the meantime, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.
I'm not getting money so fast.
Come on. Okay, seating. Welcome to Diablo Conquesto's Racetrack. Wow. Okay, this is like where you watch the race, I think. Aw, man, I wish I could sit in there. But do you want to say something? Do you want to say something, Gabe? Here. Okay. Let's go, guys. Oh, wow. That was a lot. Hey. This is my good friend, Gabe. And would you like to say something?
Get out of here, person. Unicorn. Out of here.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
Okay, let's get the...
Oh, you're doing the race contract?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm doing the hospital.
Oh, you're gonna heal people that crash on my racetrack. Good.
Okay, I'm out of here now. Whee!
I can't wait to get this racetrack up, guys. I bet it's gonna go like... And then, like, there's a tunnel that goes from here to here. And then it goes into there. That would be awesome. Let's get the doors, because we know you want those doors. Hashtag doors, everybody. Hashtag doors. Now I'm moving up. We want to get that vault, because then it'll get us more money, which will help us get the double stairs. La, 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 la. There's my vault, vault, dun 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 dun, dun 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 dun. Let's get those double stairs. Where are they? Oh. There's the double stairs. Wow. Fancy. Come on, let's get those earnings, because we know you want those cash, yeah. We want one of those. We want the cash, yeah. Come on, we want the cash. Come on, we want the cash. I have my own door.
I'm coming back.
Okay. Let's get those earnings. There, now we can get the second floor. Okay.
Now I'm coming back.
There. Okay, this is the barrier. Now we're gonna earn money fast.
Let me in. There you go. Now let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this on to walking. Perfect. Okay. Come on, walls. Just give me a chance, money. Give me a chance. Well, guys, let me just flip this back on. There. There, walls. There. This is our racetrack, so okay, there we go. That was a lot. Come on, let me go get up here and get that window frames, you know. Now we want that circuit train. Oh, you want that flat window? Well, that's only 20,000. Okay, we want that circuit train. Wow.
Silas, Kieran is awake, but I would still appreciate it if you would keep your volume at a respectable level. Only scream every once in a while.
I'm filming a video. Sorry, my dad just bombards into my video. Sorry. Well, now I'm actually building the road. Hey, Gabe, come on over. Gabe, come over. Gabe, come on over. I actually have the track now. Let me get that pit road. Pit stop. Oh, I really want the... I'm gonna get the garage. I'm gonna get the tire pile. I bet people like have a bridge that they go over or something. Come on, tire pile. Actually, garage floor. That's more important. Okay, that's big. Whoa, now I'm rising to the top like lightning, yeah. Hey, Gabe, come on over. Come on over, yeah. Time to run. Hey, you can buy the path, the road, the lights, the helipad. Dun dun dun. Okay, let me go back to my place, guys. Crap. Okay, let's get the parking area. And we can get the tire now. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, what should we get next? Okay, guys, that'll do it for today. Make sure to subscribe and like to the channel. Oh, let me just collect my earnings. And bye. Bye.